Welcome everyone. Thank you for taking part in another live stream here today. And from what we can Okay, so let's take a look over here. I guess the mic is working. Oh, one sec. I know what's going on. I know exactly what's going on. All right, that's what was going on. Okay, let's take a look at the gulag over here, see what's going on. I'm in a nice short for New Zealand JPY. Is gold a fake out? I've been away for a month. Okay, nothing productive as always from there, but all right, let's take a look at pound yen over here. On the 1 hour time frame, yeah, this candle is about to close in 7 minutes. So I think it's going to be very important to see where this 1 hour candle closes. So there's going to be no stream tomorrow. That's why we're doing a stream today. Tomorrow I'm busy on a Friday. What do you think on your USD? I have no idea. You have to send a chart. You send a chart. We're going to take a look at that, and then we're going to kind of like, you know, critique. Oh, look at that. You shave his out off. What do you think on your USD? Okay. Gold. See, initially what I wanted to see on gold was this candle. So we had a very bearish candle form on gold, right? This candle has no top wick, and when a candle has no top wick, that means there's no move to the upside. Like there's not even a liquidity grab to go up. It just straight went down, left a wick. Now, for the next candle to continue down, it had to break this low and then continue down. But at the same time, we're being wary of this rejection here to the left hand side as well, you know, which it didn't do. It just closed bullish and then it went right back in the range. Gold is forming a descending triangle on 30-minute time frame. Okay, yeah, we'll see. Right now, it's coming right back above this support. The candle is about to close in 6 minutes. Yeah, pound yen. Oh, that is pound yen. Wait, what's going on? Okay, that's gold. This is pound yen. Okay. Awesome. Yeah, it's very tricky. Very tricky on pound yen. I just want to stay calm. How much is this range anyway? Below this wick over here, this is like 10 pips away. Yeah, okay, whatever. This is 10 pips away. GJ kicked my ass today. Very nice. If a 1 hour candle closes very strong bullish, can we expect 4 hour to reject the zone again to push up? If 1 hour candle closes very bullish on pound yen, yeah, if you can get a very bullish candle close on the 1 hour time frame, then you can expect the next one to continue moving up. But let's take a look on 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame. Yeah, there's a bit of rejections here. So I would overall want pound yen to get out of this area, especially like, you know, try to get beyond 156, 100 or close below 155, 400, you know, because looking on the 1 hour time frame, this is a very major rejection we had yesterday, right? Yesterday at Asian session. And then we had another rejection day before yesterday on 19th around London session. So I think it's better to see price break below this area here. I have a question about gold buy you took yesterday, 19th January. Shouldn't we wait for the candle to break? Why you put a buy stop? What confirmation? Andre, we discussed that whole thing. We discussed that whole thing yesterday. So I think a much better what's going to be is go through the live stream there, scroll back to the area, and then you'll see what we discussed. momentum in London session, range in pre-New York, and then expecting volume in NY. Where can it break? It could possibly break up. So that's why I had a buy stock. But there's much more information there on the live stream, which we discussed. I lost on gold today because I took the 30-minute break. Oh. Yeah, this candle gave no confirmation. Where did you discuss it? Could you repeat? Yesterday, on yesterday's stream. So you gotta, I think it was at the end when the trade was done. Like me and Ted then break that down again. What's days that are live streams from now on? Well, Monday, Wednesday, maybe Thursday or Friday. All right, looks like pound yen is, it wants to really continue moving down as we're coming into 3 minutes till the 1 hour candle close. What will Russia, Ukraine impact beyond oil and gas? I have no idea. Why a stream today? Because I felt like it. Oh, what's going on over here? Okay, let's see here. I'm here with gold. Oh, buys over here on the 15-minute time frame. Very nice. Since still some bullish candle. Very nice. Plus a runner. I want to take gold sells, but remember you sometimes wait for the candle to wake up and the 16 break below the low. Yeah, pound yen is still open here now. Would it be nice to break even on GJ due to 1 hour candle formation? I don't know. Since it's moving in this range here anyway, I'd rather want to break below, 155, 450, 450, 430. Okay. I'm sorry, I just entered your stream. Why you didn't put sell stop below current candles? Because I wasn't planning on using a sell stop. Who's this? Mr. Patrick Sowinski. Is gold a fake out? Yeah, it seems like a fake out, but for a fake out, there needs to be enough clean range to continue to the upside. What's the camera name? Oh, this is Sony E10. Yeah, this is the Sony E10. Very nice camera. Very, very nice camera. You guys can see the quality over here. Wow. Crazy. Crazy. उस्मान गनी साहब आपके लिए 1,55,000 सिर्फ आपके लिए 1,55,000. Yeah, from Islamabad. It's around like I think 1,300, something like that. Yeah. GJ candle with no wick. Oh wow, look at that. It's coming down at this point. All right, so gotta do something here. Okay, let's do this. All right, we're coming right back down to support over here on pound yen. This is a pretty nice move. I mean, even if someone was to take this trade maybe below the low of the previous candle here on a 30-minute time frame, this would have been like 9 pips, you know, if you factor in the spread. So would have been a pretty tight range over here. He is sniffing lines. Navjot Singh. No, man. You guys complimented the camera too much. We cannot see or the chart. Raja, any tips? How can I control my emotions? The best way to control your emotions is to see, let's say you take a trade and you have, oh, what's this doing over here? Oh, man. Cigarettes? Come on. Only Daniel switch. Anyway, so it's first you got to ask the question, like, why do you want to control your emotions? Like, what's going on? What's making you feel like you should be controlling your emotions? Is it because, like, you know, maybe you're trying to overtrade, or maybe you're over risking at the same time? So then you got to see, okay, why is that happening? What are the things, what events are leading up to you to overtrade? Is it because, like, you know, you take a losing trade and then you take another trade, and if that's a losing trade, you take another trade? Broke FX. How about your monitor and your setup? This is a 32-inch 4K monitor. My analysis is usually correct, but I kept putting stop loss at break even too early. Then I got stopped out. Well, that's something I can't fix. That is very tough. But yeah, you can kind of fix that though. I mean, look, if you're putting stop loss at break even too early and then you get stopped out, here's the thing. Whenever you move your stop, you're accepting the outcome, because if price comes to that price where your stop is, you're accepting that you can get stopped out, you know. But at the same time, if you're kind of like not moving stops at break even, or even if you are moving stops at break even, it's important to secure positions, because the only reason I'm going to move my stops to break even is if I'm, what's the word? Only when I'm securing positions. Yes, that one right there. Have you tried trading with 5 time frames open for the same pair? No. Just 1 time frame is enough, because, you know, like, you decide what time frame you're going to take the trade, whether it's going to be on a 30-minute confirmation, 15-minute confirmation. What time frame confirmation are you going to take the trade, and then you basically stay at that time frame. Robbie Edna, I love you from India. Oh, thank you. This is pound yen 15-minute. Oh, you did take that trade over on sells. Very nice. 14 pips. Yeah, 14 pips. I trade with 5 time frames open, because sometimes I take trades in a 1 hour and the 30-minute others on a 4 hour. That's what worked for me. Oh, that's absolutely amazing. That's beautiful, Osvaldo. You know, if that works for you, the more you focus on that, the better it's going to start working for you. Okay, let's see here. Hello, Raja. Even for Market Fluidity members, the live is 3 days. Yes, exactly. Exactamo. Damn, Daniel, we are moving downtown, about to cross 155,400. Damn. Hold on. Hold up there. Why are you trying to move down? What is going on with you? What is going on with you? This is where we're trying to break down, right? Right here. Right here. So we need oh wow, gold is less than a pip spread over here. Damn. Oh, what? Less than a pip spread. That's pretty Gucci. The pound yen. Crazy. What do you mean you got less than a pip spread on gold? Wow, that's IC market spread. This is Dominion markets. This is, yeah. Euro USD is 1 pip. Pound USD, this much. Gold less than a pip, pound yen, man, this is we're lucky day here today. Crazy, amazing spreads. Amazing. Could you please look at my analysis? Thank you. Yeah, what the hell's going on over here? Something happening over here. This can't be, I don't know. Anyway, let's just be happy. Could you please look at my analysis? All right. This is gold looking for a buy above 1843. That's very nice. You're looking at a buy at a very clean area here. So good. Very good. No trade range, looking for a sell below this area to break below. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. And at the same time, I think that break is also going to be below your 200 over here as well. 200 SMAs. Curious about this idea. How could we have caught the sells? This looks like Uncle Ted's trade yesterday. How could we have caught the sells from right over here? If applied Uncle Ted's analysis from yesterday on gold, we could have caught this move. Yeah, I think you need to ask him. I think you need to ask him about his analysis there. But what we're going to do is, oh, this was it right here. So what we got to do is we got to break this down according to what we see. So this is where the sell should have been executed on. Let's take a look on the 30-minute time frame. So 30-minute, yeah, would have been very tough. Would have been very tough because look what's going on. It's breaking below the support, this support, this support. So you're overall trusting the 1 hour time frame to correct this move over here. Because now look, you don't see any wicks, but on the other smaller time frames, you could see wicks. So yeah, what about the support area? Oh, 2L. What's your first lot size when you started with $700? 10 cents. Dang, Raja, you broker pips are expensive, man. You broker pips are expensive? What are you talking about, broker pips? I don't understand. All right, let's see here. Okay. Okay, man, I need some music over here. So let's do this. Let's play some music in the background. Okay, do we see Uncle Ted's entry? Is there Telegram? There is no Telegram, son. How do you assess the strength of a candle? The way to assess the strength of the candle is understanding what time frame we're in, right? Like yesterday. Yesterday, if we talk about the buyers on gold, I think much better was to really look at it from the daily time frame, weekly time frame. But talking about the way we broke above these areas here to the left hand side above 1819, 1820, is to really look at the resistances we had, right? So we had a rejection right there on the 18th January around London Open, after New York Open. We had another rejection after London close. Then we had another rejection at pre-New York, right? So if we zoom in here a little bit, this is what you should be looking at in terms of, like, you know, how could we have predicted or how did we predict that this will be the move that's going to continue bullish, right? So look, we had a nice trending move all the way through London session, right? So through London Open, all the way through up to the new 4-hour candle, we had clean move, and then we started consolidating, right? We started consolidating because look, we created a resistance. Even though this was price moving bullish, looking to the left hand side, we had resistances here. So this did not mean a buy at all, because at that point we needed a candle to break and close above 1820, right? We came down, created support. Obviously we're looking for buys, and then this is where the buy stops was placed, like around 18, 20, 30. That's where the buy stops were placed, because we moved up in London session, consolidated in, so volume in London session, consolidation in pre-New York, right? If we consolidated in pre-New York, when is the next time that there's going to be volume in the market? New York Open, right? New York Open. So then we moved up. So yeah, this is still struggling here. 30-minute candle is about to close in about 15 minutes. Hey, Raja, is this a valid short trade? Any management I can do in this? I can't. I don't see nothing. I was thinking about switching to bigger account after building confidence with small account for another 3 months, but I'm not even getting entries this month. Do you think this is momentarily? Yeah, Aman Sharma, you made fun of me yesterday, so screw you for that. But I'm still going to answer your question. Basically, on the smaller account, okay, let's see here. Yeah, speaking about the smaller account, it's not about, yeah, like, some months can be tough. So, I mean, if you're not looking at your losses and asking yourself, hey, like, where did it go wrong and stuff like that, you're not going to learn anything from it. So you got to make sure that you're learning at the same time too, when you're like, losing trades. Just past my FTMO challenge, took me 2 months to clear out first phase and second phase. Oh, one thing I would say is don't let the 10% target be your goal. Let consistency be the goal. Nice. Jabola Badmus. Sounds like Badmanis. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. Let's take a look at this chart. तो 1.5 लाख रुपया 1.5 लाख 1 लाख 55,000 रुपये का है जी कैमरा. Gold support, push price up again. If 30-minute candle bullish, every good buy. Yeah, look at this. We're at this support over here now. Very nice. Nice analysis. What's the best video in your channel for the first time trading? All the videos are best. There are a lot of how-to videos too. Oh, the 15-minute candle closed. Gold is just stuck over here, man. Like, the only good thing about gold is now we have a clearly defined support at 1837. Can you tell me if I should have taken the sell? If you should have taken the sell, since we had resistance, we had confirmation on 30-minute bearish, but was scared since it was this wick. Yeah, this was a rejection. I think whenever you have a trade idea like that, which looks sketchy, but at the same time it looks pretty good, execute it with a smaller lot size. Yeah, that's what you should do. Execute it with a smaller lot size. So even though it still moves, you're still going to be a part of that trade, right? Then you'll be able to relate to that trade. So that's what I would do. Like sometimes I feel like I should take a trade when it's like too risky. Like you guys have seen me take trades in the live streams like that, like those dumbass trades, right? I still take them with like very small lot sizes just to be a part of it. Because then you're gonna, like, your confidence is going to increase and things are going to get much more clear with increased confidence. Your strategy is only price action. Yes. Salute from Romania. Salute. Hey, Mr. Raja, why don't you trade silver? Because I don't know nothing about silver. Tried trading Tesla yesterday. It was pretty fun. Pretty volatile. I like your clean chart on TradingView. What are your settings? Our settings are clean charts, nothing on it. No grid, no indicators, nothing. Would you look to enter selling GJs below 155, 400? Most likely, yes. Yes, below 400. We'll see what happens. I mean, we'll see if it's going to be a impulse or a candle close. I took this trade and managed it once. Went against me. Do you think it was a bad trade? There's no such thing as a bad trade. Oh, tried to catch a possible move down with H1 breaking the low, even the 15-minute some makes I trusted HR, but it immediately. Oh wow, damn! I knew someone's going to do that. Okay, so let's take a look at that. All right, so this was the start of the new 1 hour candle. Let's dive on deeper. Dive in deeper, and what we see is that. See, man, I mean, I think you should have closed once you saw this bullish candle form right here on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah. Even on the 15-minute, once you saw this rejection right here, wouldn't have been that. Oh, managed it once. Okay, yeah, then I think this is where you should have closed, or yeah, 15-minute. Oh yeah, maybe this is where you should have closed half. And then once the next one broke the high right here, you would have closed everything. This a question that bothered me after fake outs happened. Which zone would look for after fake out happened? Oh, should this be the new zone waiting to close below? Yes, this should be the new zone waiting to close below, because this is our recent price action now. This one right here, the support. What about GAUD, gold, GBPAUD? I'm not sure. You have to send a chart. Can we virtual magic keys from commission in Dominion markets? Yes. Why can't? No, you can't. It's $30, man. $30. If you can't afford $30, you can't afford to trade. You know, like people ask me, hey, is the digital magic keys the $30 one on sale? I'm like, are you kidding me? What kind of a sale can they put on? Can they put on the digital magic keys? Hey, do you prefer breakout or reversal trade and why? Oh, by the way, from those digital magic keys, I don't get anything. It's a completely different project for somebody else. I took my digital magic keys with a discount code. Oh, I think there must have been something running at that time. Let's see here. Do you prefer breakout, reversal, trade? I prefer a breakout trade, you know, a breakout trade. Yeah, that's what I prefer, a breakout trade. I prefer something, you know, like, let's say you have price move up, come down. This is a resistance now. Price moves up and breaks this. That's the trade I prefer. So it's also like trading with the trend. And the break can be sometimes with impulse entries like on gold yesterday. Sometimes it can be candle closing above, you know, or anticipating volume to come in, all those factors. So a lot can go on in that. Chinese indicator says pound is very weak. Yen is very strong. Wow. Wow, Chinese indicator. Looking at the Chinese indicator here, man. Let's take, oh, wow. Yeah, you're right. No fucking kidding. Look at that. Euro is weak. Pound is weak. Yen is strong. We've already gone down. So I guess we have to break below this low to continue bearish on this. Are you using MetaTrader 5? Yes. Talking about magic keys, these batteries ain't dying. Thank you. Thank you. These batteries don't die. These things are indestructible. Look, my lights are still on right here. I got this one. I haven't charged it. I've had this since the first this one came out. I charged it once and then I didn't charge it at all. Bro, I haven't charged my magic keys in 6 months. Yeah, I haven't charged it at all. How long does the withdrawal take on Dominion markets? You know, like crypto is usually done in like within an hour. Sometimes it can take up to 5 hours or something like that, 6 hours, you know, just for like checks and verifications. Credit card takes like 10 days maximum, 10, 14 days. Depends on where you are though. That's what we were told. I mixed my strategy with yours and I guess it works good, but today I trade silver, I lost 3K. Well, if the strategy works, then that's perfect. But does the risk management works with it? All right. All right. Gold is coming back in. Gold is coming back in. Will the UK bank transfer be supported? No, not UK bank transfer. Sorry about that, mate. Fall on gold and GJ look juicy. Yeah, man. Gold fall over here is going to be extra juicy. I think this is the wick that's kind of like an issue. But after that, it's all the way through. All right, what time is it? Ooh, we got the 30-minute candle closing here as well. Do I really want to take the sell right here? Oh man, missed it. It's changing the lot size to enter right here, right at this break over here. Man, oh man. Joel, that would have been a pretty good sell over here.
Oh, you still got time. I think it's gonna retrace a little bit.
Did you enter? No, Joshua. Can you see me in a position right now? No. But I wanted to enter right there. It just moved so quick. I was like, ah, damn.
Yeah, I got it. I had to stop.
Sell stop, eh? Sell stop. Well, I guess wait for the candle to close now. Where you would have put the stop loss? The stop loss would have been in the zone, like around 1837.80, you know, somewhere in the middle right here. Because if it's breaking down, you know, then it would have no reason to close back above 1837. Because if it closes back above 1837, that means it's rejecting this area as support. But as long as it stays below this area, there's a oh, yeah, we got some sort of problem over here too.
Yeah, that's why I think it's going to retrace a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, because, bro, I see this as this area right here. I see this as obviously it's a rejection. But the way it moved down, I think it moved down to say that, okay, could be a possible correction, move back up, call for backup, like, you know, call for backup, create resistance, and then with volume just drive down by NYSE. That would be the perfect scenario. But man, it moved too quick. Hello, if the higher time frames say that daily and 4 are bearish, but the lower time frames are bullish, what's the best way to analyze such a trade? If the high time frames say that we're bearish and the lower time frames are saying bullish, then maybe the lower time frames are just retracing to create some sort of a resistance to continue. Yeah, I think it's going to be a better idea right here. Have a sell stop just below that area. Did you ever do door-to-door sales? Never give up.
Look at the 4 hour, the candles.
Yeah. Yeah. You remember what was this move here from yesterday? I never looked into it.
Yeah, that move for me, I was, to be honest, I was expecting it because of the when you go to the higher time frame, you can see the whole structure from the weekly. You can see that the weekly already had created like a big liquidity grab to the downside. We already on the weekly could see that we tapped many weeks since July 2021 Many times the same zone. We tapped again the whole structure on January on the weekly, so it was not gonna hold. So the expectation for me is actually for this to continue the next weeks. The probabilities for price to go all the way up to 1870 are really high. I mean, the next weeks. Obviously, we're gonna have that ups and downs along the way.
Very nice. Yeah, what I meant was maybe something, was it a fundamental driven move? No.
I don't
Really
think
find
so. I
anything.
think it's just technical. It was just enough good pricing for the big guys.
Yeah. Then I do think if there's going to be a correction, we're going to correct mostly like, you know, till 1832, 33. Oof, look at that. Wow. Yeah, I'm staying away from this now. Straight rejection. How do you find January for trading in the calendar? January is okay, you know. The volume is coming back slowly. Yeah, the volume's coming back slowly. It's not too bad. Not fundamental change of point continues. You're gonna, yeah, weakness in the US. Does a small wick of the current 30-minute candle will be a problem for the price to move bearish? Yeah, I don't think there's a small wick here. No, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens when it closes in some seconds over here. There's ECB news at 12:30. That's why it moved. Oh, nice. Are you shorting gold? No. So far, Jan has been great for me. Very nice. Yeah, there's nothing happening right now. Does Magic Keys work better on MT5? No. Execution is better on MT5. You know, you can try MetaTrader 5. Just go ahead, try it, right? Try it. Or go open an account on the markets with like $50 with your crypto you have, with like $50, right? And open a MT5 Pro account and execute a 0.01 trade. Just execute it, and then close it. The speed you're going to see, you'll be like, oh, wow. Crazy. MT5, just quick. Oh, closed here. Yeah, look at that. It did what I was afraid it's going to do. Yeah, it closed back above that support. Yep. Bale, I love you. Why people are talking about Daniel Savage here? No one's talking about Daniel Savage here. I didn't talk about Daniel Savage here. Earlier on in the stream, I was going to say that if he shaves his head off, that's something Daniel Savage is going to look like. But I didn't say that at that point because I didn't want to put light over that. But then, you know, like you mentioned now, so I just, you know, that's what I thought about at that time. But looking good if the 1 hour candle closed bullish. Yeah, it's tough. The thing about the 1 hour candle closing bullish is that there's a support over here, and this candle needs to close above that area, probably deeper in 155,600, so that we can continue pushing bullish. How can we access dominion markets from Pakistan? Going to the website and opening an account. Why is that even a question? Nice buys earlier, by the way. I had the same idea. I'm mostly learning how gold moves. Good to see I had the right idea. Well, very nice. Very nice. You are some sort of an angel to trading community. Oh, very nice. That's too kind now. Gold, gold is saying, trade on me now. Trade on me now. I'm taking your paper. Man. Gold is like, yeah, try trade me, bitch. Last 2 weeks before January moved around 850 pips. These last weeks have moved to 30. Yeah, it's dead volume, man. It's like very tough. All right, let's take a look over here. Raja Lucky not took that trade. Yeah, you know, I think someone was watching over me. The price just went like this. Price just went like this. How about the boot camp in London? Yes. So we're doing 2 boot camps in March. We're doing one in Dubai. That's going to be in Dubai, and it's going to be in the first week of March. And then we're doing another one in London, and that's going to be the last week of March or the first week of April. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Last week of March or the first week of April. Will the London one be near the airport? Yes. Yes. All our boot camps are close to all airports, whether we go to Toronto, Miami, Dallas, went to Dallas, close to the airport, Dubai, London. So all those are always close to the airport. Do we need PCR test to enter boot camp? Yep. You will need, IceFX, especially you will need 1 PCR test every half an hour, just because you mentioned it. So get that nose ready. They're coming. Yeah, I mean, the process of the boot camp is, you guys seen the unlearn and relearn section there. It's those slides, but extended over the period of 3 days. It's relatively the same information, but in more depth, because once you're face to face, that's a whole nother learning experience, because you get to ask questions and we can talk to each other. So it's a whole different environment. The online stuff, it goes quick, but this 3 days, man, we're together for 3 days. Take you out for dinner. Do you think large banks can manipulate the market's movement and can take traders' money easily? Yeah, that's just some dumb question. Yeah, you're right. It is kind of on that level right there. But honestly, banks don't care about your or my $100,000 or their, like someone else's $10. They don't care. It's and banks don't really move the price either. It's the institutions, the other big whales. Like you have banks, you have prime banks, and then you have prime of prime. Prime of prime is like the granddaddy there. No boot camps in the US. I was ready. Yeah. We're looking at Miami. Yeah, we were looking at Miami, but it's going to be a little tight. Could do Miami. We'll see. Where can we find prices? Okay, so all the information is going to be up on this weekend today. But so far, nothing's happening over here on the charts. I've seen that with strong bearish or strong bullish momentum impulse entries work really good. If there's 15 mechanical, would you take an impulse entry? No, I'm not going to take any impulse entries right here. I want candles to break and close below these areas, so we can work. Will you enter in GJ buys if GJ 1 hour candle close above 155.570? Let's see here. There's a lot of problems, and the biggest problem is this resistance right here in the 30-minute time frame. Then you got a rejection. It's not that big of an issue, but and then you got a resistance right here as well. Yeah, GJ is a fucking mess over here. I don't know. If you would want to take a trade based on the 1 hour time frame as it closes above, let's say 155.600, you would take that solely trusting the 1 hour time frame. But even this, it has like a rejection right here. Oh wow, just by applying the Raja mentality. All right. My GJ plan for today: buys above 155.760. You're buying above this resistance. Okay, perfect. Makes sense. And sells below. Yeah, perfect, man. Makes perfect sense. Are you doing a Toronto bootcamp, and when would it be? I think the Toronto bootcamp is probably going to be in July or August, because yeah, July or August, Toronto bootcamp. We're going to be there anyway in Toronto, so you know. Do you think the bullish move yesterday will get correction this week? Hopefully, you know, if it does, it's going to be a pretty nice move. Prime of Prime is a firm that provides access to liquidity pools of bigger banks. Yes. Oh. If you join the bootcamp, can we join your Slack group? All the information. Yeah, obviously. Today looks like full of fake outs. Yes. Hey, any plan for camp in Malaysia? Man, Malaysia and Singapore, they have the most strictest right now. One of the most strictest restrictions. Also Australia. So I'm trying to stay far away from those places over here now. We had an attendee in Dubai, so he came to the Dubai bootcamp, and he called. I think he got a notice from Malaysia, like his embassy or whatever, but he got a notice that, hey, when you come to Malaysia, you got to quarantine for 7 days, homie. And he's like, what? Makes no sense. And he had to pay for it too. A poor guy, man. He had to go back to Malaysia, and yeah, it's just crazy. They paid for 7 nights in a hotel, and then he went back home. I mean, come on, you know, I'm not trying to stay in a hotel for 7 nights. Do you believe we can sell to monthly wick on GJ if we break support? Which support? 155 440, 155 300? What support you talking about? Would you advise somebody to trade US30 as a beginner? No. Austria is crazy at the moment, locked down to non. Oh wow. If you do Miami, when do you think? Probably, I don't know. Probably somewhere April. Maybe somewhere April. We'll see. Okay, for the Toronto bootcamp, do it any week except Caribana week. There's no Caribana week in Toronto anymore. They're sending them back to Caribbean. They're like, hey, go back, man. Go back. We got COVID over here, man. What's your plan for today? Nothing. Nothing's happening here today. Okay. Your method in crypto is like crazy, man. Thank you. I've never tried it though. Australia is very relaxed now, other than the most mentally. Heck now. Oh wow. Is unemployment claims not a red folder news that appeared as a low impact news on Forex Factory? Yeah, sometimes, you know, some unemployment news, they don't really affect the market that much. But I wouldn't put a lot of weight on unemployment news to gauge volume. I mean, sometimes, you know, it can happen, but depending on what's been happening. So right now, gold has just been ranging over here on a 30-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame. Like, you can see what piece of shit gold looks right now. Just range, candles closing next to each other, no break of supports, like, you know, fake outs everywhere here. So maybe the reason gold is ranging is maybe they're expecting this unemployment claims to be pretty nice, you know, pretty good. Can you travel to India for the boot camps? Yeah. Yes. Are there any plans for bootcamp in Amsterdam, Brussels? I'm not sure yet. There are many plans for bootcamp in Amsterdam. Yeah, you know, so we'll see what happens over here. Okay, how did you meet Ted? I sent him a message in Instagram. Now I'm like, oh no, at that time we were in a Facebook group. So I sent him a message. I'm like, hey, let's have lunch, and we went to lunch, and he paid for my nachos. Do you have any crypto portfolio? No. Any boot camps in North Korea? Right now the restrictions there are pretty high, so I mean the locals there, they can't attend. with Bootcamp. My phone is ringing. Anyway. Let's see here. North Korean permanent. Let's go for lunch. Yes, lunch and dinner. Any locals can't attend North Korea has me laughing. TJ. If the trade lose, Raja will disappear. Oh, no. I actually lost a trade yesterday, and then we stayed on, and then we got a winning trade. I don't disappear, man. I don't disappear. Yeah. Tough today. It's tough out here in the streets. What are possible trades can we have on gold 4-hour time frame? Gold 4-hour time frame? Yeah, we can break above 1843 or 1841 and then continue all the way into 1849, 1848. That could be very nice. See, looking on the 4-hour time frame. If we zoom in on over here, you can see this area right here to the left hand side, 1847, 1848, all the way up over here. So that's going to be pretty awesome if we can break above. But yeah, so far, no. The other thing would be probably a correction of this move from yesterday. But right now, there's nothing. Can you take 30 seconds to let me know what's magic keys? I think you can take those 30 seconds and you can put them in google.com and Google magickeys.trade. Or it's a website right there. I mean, for God's sake, man, the link is in the description over here. Holy, why are you even on a trading stream right now? Man, you can't analyze that information. You're trying to analyze charts, price action to make money? To make money? You can't even make common sense out of the question you asked for 30 seconds. How are you going to make money? That's a good one. You haven't even made common sense yet. How are you going to make money? What do you think about Metaverse? Maybe you can do boot camps in Metaverse. Yeah, I mean, we'll see. Hey, what's your monitor inch size? My monitor inch size is 32 inches. This question was from Investment Plan Trustee Process. Comment. Came at his whole generation. The time you took to say that, you could have explained. Nah, I don't do that shit. I don't put a spoon in your mouth. I don't do that. So I'd rather waste time on something else than to explain something that you can explain to yourself. That's like saying, hey, I'll waste money in clubs rather than giving it to you and helping you eat. But it's just banter talk, don't get triggered, don't get mad, it's just light conversation. Where are your positions to buy or sell gold? 0 positions. I have no positions open. Had positions yesterday. Tried a few things here yesterday. So this is so far here for this week. Had good wins, had losses, managed my losses, had another win here yesterday. This was the buy we had, and then Tesla. Tried trading Tesla yesterday. It was pretty fun. All right. When you're going to return to 50 lots, we'll see. If you were trading Tesla, till what time did you stream yesterday? If you were trading, if you were trading Tesla, what time did you stream? That was after I streamed. Is it possible to make a living on Instagram? If yes, how many followers I need to make 10K a month? How the hell? What? How you can't make a living off of Instagram? I think you can use Instagram to promote maybe your service or product or promote yourself as a person. You can do that, but I don't know. I mean, yeah, just like Joel said here, you can make 10K if you open an OnlyFans. You know, that's where you get paid to post, or people, they want to pay you to see your posts. All right. Next educational video and entry, please. No. Is trading stocks similar to trading FX? Not really looked into side of trading. Yeah, I mean, I only did some price action things over here. I mean, I'll show you right here. Look, so this was Tesla, right? This was Tesla. So I took 2 buys right here. So one buy was right here, as this candle broke above the previous candle and was looking for price to fill this range here to the left hand side. And price went over here and I was like, oh, wow, man, crazy. And it started retracing and just closed it. So I closed these 2 positions, this one right here and this one right here. But yeah, it was fun. And as we can see, it didn't go up. It just continued moving down. Oh, wow, 995. In my place, they make stupid stuff to make it viral on Insta, then become a product ambassador. Yeah. There's a guy here on TikTok in Pakistan. He does this, like, you know, he's gonna make a video, and then at the end of the video, he's gonna say, "Hoo-hoo," you know. There's this one video, like he does this, right? Hey, this is this, and then he's gonna go, "Hoo-hoo," you know. And then he made a video. He's like, hey, I know, like a lot of people, they tell me, oh, you look like a retard doing hoo-hoo. And he's like, if I don't do hoo-hoo, this is not gonna be viral. I know it's a retarded thing to do, but I gotta do it to get viral. Hoo-hoo. Like, shit, man. Makes sense. How much did you buy your house in Canada? I don't know, man. It's like, right now it's over $1 million. We bought it at like 845,000 something. Yeah, 848. My broker will not allow me to go full margin on OnlyFans buys. What should I do, Mr.? I think you should contact them and say what's going on. Yeah. What was your mentality when you blew accounts before you began trading the 50,000 in 2021? I didn't blow accounts before 2021. I think I lost my first account, the 200, and then I lost again, and then I lost one more time. Yeah. So one was a $200 account. That's I lost just by trying to, you know, just trade whatever, you know, just like everyone else starts. And the other one was I deposited 700 and then took it up, brought it down, took it up again, and I lost that. And then I deposited like around, and then I deposited, made money, came down, deposited more money, lost some money, added more. So yeah, was quite a roller coaster. And now someone's going to say, oh, what changed? The only thing that changed was just focused on 1 or 2 trades a day. That's it. That's it. And started looking at the trades, why they were happening and stuff. If I make money, I'll feed people like you. Thank you. Amazing. That's perfect. Oh, we have Jeevan here. Good morning. Watched your execution on gold yesterday. Is it a bad idea to have closed the trade, the buy too early? No, it wasn't a bad idea, but we didn't really understand how far it's going to move. Like, we knew how far it's going to move, but I think the better idea was to have a plan of what profit do you expect to take out of this trade. You know, so plan to accept profit from that trade was around, you know, 10, 12 pips over there. And that's what I did. I followed the plan. I secured my profit. I secured $2,000, and I was like, okay, you know what? Perfect. I did what I came here to do. If it continues moving, like we were watching it, it tapped into 1825, and we're like, oh, nice. You know, price did exactly what we thought it would do. We weren't like, oh shit, I should have held. Oh man, I should have held. Would have made bank. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, no. It was just like, you know, we executed based on what we wanted to execute, and then price went to where we thought it would go, and then you can see it went to fucking 1841. I'm on my phone at the moment. Well, you call Jeevan. Whenever you call Jeevan, he's answering the phone in the first half of the ring. He's like, yo, hello. The first half of the ring goes to, and then Jeevan says, hey, yeah, hello. Man, you try to argue with him over text, you can't argue with him over text. He's the kind of guy who's going to just go like you can't. There's no arguing with him on text. No, he's going to remind you of your ex-girlfriend. Just keep. Do you keep some Doge coins? No. At NY Open, will you enter impulse entry at GJ? No. Impulse entry in GJ. Where the hell am I trying to enter an impulse entry in GJ? You know, probably below 155 400, that would make sense. But other than that, what about your gold buys? If next candle wicks down and breaks, would you enter buys? No. No. Oh no. Why are you thinking that way? A Pakistani arguing with the Indian, things can get more lit. Yes, that's absolutely correct. Your plan for news? No plan. I'm gonna leave in about 15 minutes. There is no plan. What time did Raja start today? 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Like all the plan. Read the description, man. Oh my God, man. People can't read descriptions. Any boot camp in Nepal? Where are you trying to go, Monk? Yes. No, man. I haven't been to Nepal, but it'll be a pretty cool place to go to. Hey, good afternoon, rest of the guys. Hey, good afternoon. Do you use trend lines? Do you see any trend lines? I'll wake up early tomorrow and come on as a guest here. Tomorrow, no live stream. I'm busy tomorrow. What time is it now for you? It's 6 p.m. Yeah. Hey, sorry, Raja, I'm late. Can you briefly summarize what we are looking for? We are looking for Dora here today. Where is Dora in this jungle of consolidation on gold? Where is Dora? We lost Dora the Explorer. So we're trying to find her here today. Raja is the only Forex streamer that gets more than 1.5K live stream. Oh, nice. How many are we at? Oh, 1.7. Very nice. YouTube.com. Let's go to YouTube.com. And then let's go to, let's see how much Bloomberg gets. I heard Bloomberg was getting like 4,000, 5,000. Oh, 3,000. Yeah, we've crossed 3,000. At one point, we were at 5,000. Let's see here. Forex. Let's go to Forex. Oh, Azad Chaiwala. My life journey. How I became a Forex trader. My life journey. Very nice. 50 lakh. Oh, look at this. All right. We're looking at live. Oh, nice. 448, 430. Stock sniper trading. We have this one over here. Official lens. Oh, we have my copycat over here. We have Raja Banks over there. Oh, nice. Nathan Dredd. Man, I remember we were at 500 live viewers at one point. How much did YouTube revenue drop since you stopped doing live so much? It dropped maybe a quarter. A quarter of it dropped. Yeah, we still got some time here for the new candle to open. Wow, champion pips, FX Accurate, Work with Will, Void CH. Wow, so many new channels over here, live streams, all of them. Gold signals, let's scalp Sid. All right. Stock sniper trading.
Okay, guys. So you can see that gold is rising. Okay, gold is rising. 2-bar pattern right here, guys. If you guys don't know what that is, this is why gold is getting that push right here. Okay, right here. So, guys, if you're
He's
in
gonna
that
read
gold
it.
buy, if you're in the gold buy, okay, you can see it's running about 7 pips, about 9, 10 pips, 10 pips right there.
Nice.
Okay. This is before 8 o'clock, so I didn't take anything. I'm telling you guys to wait until 8:30, but I'm just explaining this as you were taking an initial buy, because I know there's people on here who will definitely enter in at anything. Okay, you know, and that's the sad part about it. But again, secure your pips if you're in here. Okay, secure your pips if you're in here.
Secure pips.
Yeah, he's good. I watched him once and it was good.
Okay, so see,
Yeah, it's good. Now you have
starting to
so
fall.
many options,
Why?
you
'Cause
know, like
previous
so many
resistance.
streams at the same time.
All right, previous resistance. Hey, there we go. What's going on, Raja? I was watching your stream before I logged on, so shout out to him. It's good to see him back streaming. Guy's a legend, so just wanted to say, hey, buddy, thank you. I would drop a hey on your stream. Give me a sec.
It's a tit for tat. Yeah, nothing's happening here, man. We got like what, 20 seconds left. We're back in the range over here. It's awesome to see your reactions. What's this? Oh, subscribers only mode. What the hell? What? Come on, subscribers only mode? Man, don't do this to me.
Okay, so you can see, guys, that.
All right, yes, stock sniper trading right there.
It's starting to get rejected here. Okay, started to get rejected.
Yeah. That was when the Power Rangers meet the Ninja Turtles.
Before 8. All right,
This guy.
wait patiently. Because 8 a.m. now starting to drop, unless, like I said, you get the nice.
Oh wow, that's the NY Open right here. It's the NY Open right here. Let's take a look on the 1 hour time frame. Let's remove all analysis. Take a look on 30-minute, maybe close this, leave, and then reopen it. You're the granddaddy of live trades. Oh, granddaddy? Think I'm old? Not old, man. Okay, so this is the 30-minute time frame. We have a resistance right here on the 30-minute time frame. Yep, we have a resistance right there, and then we have a support right down over here. The same thing we rejected on the 30-minute time frame. And if we break above, trying to see what the range this is, it's like a 20, 23, 24 pip range, you know, possible. But right now it's just, damn, man, it's tough. It's tough out to trade. Jesus. Goodbye, my friends. And yes, I'll go get a webcam. Yes, goodbye, Jeevan. People want me to have a face cam on my streams. Man, you should get one of these. You should get one of these. Wow, look at that. Oh, wow, look at that. Gulag. Look at the quality. Autofocus. Never seen autofocus before. Look at this one. So nice. Show us the watch. Can you see it? Oh yeah, wow, man, this thing is so crisp. He talks too much, only brainwashes. His methods work, the method is not different around. Yeah, I really wanted the skeleton one for AP, but that's just way out of my reach right now. So I was like, shit, man. And then I just picked this up. So yeah, I wear this every day. Yeah, it's 300,000. I'm like, holy. And then I saw this on the airport. I was like, all right, take it. Even tried to bargain with them, and they're like, no. They're very tough, man. They didn't bargain a single dollar. Didn't you go for the Rose Rolex? No. Still got my 0.1 running from yesterday, up 147 pips. Beautiful. Please share the Bootcamp details. Look forward to meet you. Yeah, Rashid, all the details for the London Bootcamp, Dubai Bootcamp, and maybe a Miami one are going to be up on this weekend. What do you think about your JPY sell? I think you need to send a chart so we can take a look at that and see if that's even a valid idea. Is that even a valid idea? Is it? Is it not? I saw your video on stop loss. Sometimes I observe the stop loss above previous 30-minute candle will get hit on fake out moves. How do we avoid this? You can't avoid a fake out. That's basically called like a deeper liquidity grab than expected. So when you have those deep liquidity grabs, I think the best thing to do is to see maybe if the 1 hour candle's high is not that far away, because you can close 50%, you can close 70%, you can take some off, and then maybe, I mean, that's what I would do, right? I would increase the stop loss up to the 1 hour time frame if that's not that far away. But then if price starts moving in my direction, then I would look to see how can I add that position back. Is there any premium membership on you, Raja? Premium membership? There is none, but you can pay me a premium membership if you want. I mean, I don't know. What are order blocks? Haven't really looked into it, to be honest. Okay, so we were looking at this over here. Wow, can't believe it. Subscribers only. Oh, Mr. Yasir Forex. All right. Live streaming trading setup. What? Ex-Nest broker. Is he from Pakistan? Oh, subscribers only. Oh. It's amazing. You guys get ready and then come on. Oh wow, look at this. This must be tough, man. 31 views. Oh, streamed long ago. Yeah, nothing's happening right now. You need ad block. Yes, just too lazy. Auto blocks are mythical too. It looks like Bison from Street Fighter. What's your plan on gold today? Nothing, man. My initial plan was to sell gold below this area, but it didn't really come up. Okay, what are we on today? These rich traders don't get YouTube Premium. It's $2 only. Yeah, but it's $2 out of my pocket. It's $2 out of my pocket, man. I can wait 10 seconds to see an ad rather than throw away $2 on something I should not be throwing away $2 for. How much is it anyway? Where is this YouTube Premium? How do you even access it? YouTube Premium. I don't know where it is. YouTube Premium. I don't even use my own Netflix. Aren't even used on Netflix. Oh, there it is. Oh, what? It's not $2, man. It's $18. What the hell? I'm never joining. Oh, I can't join it from Pakistan anyway. Poor YouTube. YouTube can't take my money now. Oh yeah, use VPN to fucking waste money on this. Yeah, I can use VPN. But yeah, it's $18, man. I'm never gonna do that. What the hell? Look, $18. Annual $100. Wow. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. And here, Netflix increased their fees here now. You know, the guy told me who I used this thing for. I bought that shit. YouTube started putting ads within ads within ads after a YouTube video. Are you from Pakistan? Yes. Still struggling with FOMO, fear of missing out. I want to buy at a low. What? I want to buy at a. What the fuck is he trying to say? Still struggling with FOMO. I want to buy at a too low or high price, but misses then out the actual opportunity. Why do you want to buy at the low or the high price? Try to buy at the low price and don't try to buy at the high price. Don't do that. Raja, I have it from the UK. It's a few dollars. Use a VPN, Indian VPN, have 5 accounts. Oh, nice. Yeah, I do have a VPN. I use a VPN. I'd pay for a VPN because I use it.
I actually pay the YouTube Premium, and I think it's worth it compared to Spotify and all of that. Because you get all the music in the world. You get YouTube Music, and you can, close your cell phone, keeps working, and you don't get the ads. To me, that's a waste of time. Yeah, it really depends.
SoundCloud is free with all the music, though.
Yeah, but on YouTube, you have like the biggest repository of videos and music. So that's why it's worth it for me. I mean, if you're going to pay anything, I would pay more. I see people paying Spotify. To me, it makes more sense to pay for YouTube than Spotify. That's just me, obviously.
Oh, what the hell? $2.99 per month? Spotify? What? Dude, people pay this for Spotify? Damn. Oh, that's rupees. Oh, that's rupees. I'm like, what the shit? Like, people paid this much for dollars.
I was gonna buy stocks right now.
Oh, rupees. How much is this in dollars over here? 149 divided by 180. Let's do it. Oh, 180. Oh, 82 cents. Not bad. Times 12. Oh, $10 per year. Yeah, that's not bad. I'm a student. I'll pay student price. If the Quadriga guy can have his death certificate made in India, I can get a student certificate made. Yes, awesome. $10 a year. I think the only reason I'd get this would be to listen to Joe Rogan's podcasts. They were free on Google. I used to listen to that, and then now my free options are running out. Slowly can't. 149 rupees is $2. No, 149 rupees is 82 cents. This is 82 cents. It's not rupees. No, it's not $2. 82 cents. Even if it's what? $2.99? Oh, $2.99 per month? Yeah, $2.99 divided by 180. Yeah, this is like $1.6 over here. $1.6. Damn. Pretty nice. And so far, nothing's happening over here, man. Like, what's going on? YouTube is $10 per month, and you get YouTube Music. Well, Spotify is 5 times cheaper, and I can get the same music. I know you said you only blew like 2 accounts, which were rather small account below 1,000. When did you first put large amounts of money trading, and how much was that sum? It doesn't matter how much that was. In total, I put around like 150,000. What's the best VPN? The one I use is PIA. PIA, what does that mean? I use a PIA VPN. Personal something, PIA VPN. Yeah, private internet access.
Hey, coach.
Hey, coach.
What's up?
Hey, what's going on, Josh? Long time no see.
I'm back.
Where are you? Oh, there he is, right there.
What's up, brother?
Nothing, man. Just nothing's happening here today.
Yeah, nice big range.
Yeah, nice big range. Nothing, no movement. We're thinking maybe the 8:30 news would have some movement, but unemployment, exactly.
Yes, sir. I just want to say hi.
Yeah, and as you can see, Josh is there living his best life with his 3 TVs. Hey, I tried to get a TV,
Yeah.
but if I put a TV on the wall, so we have a light, right? And that light is in the middle of a wall. And if we put the TV can't be in the middle. It's going to be a little bit off. So it's going to fuck up with the symmetry.
Move the light.
We can't. It's a fixture on the wall.
Yeah, but I mean, patch it and just have an electrician running the light to a different spot.
Yeah, you can't patch things over here. Here, you got to bring in cement. You got to put the cement on. And then you got to plaster it.
Yeah, leave that light right like that.
Yeah, it's fucked up.
Yeah, you gotta find a different situation for that TV. That's not gonna work.
Yeah, in Canada, we patch bare stuff, man. Punches through the wall, patch it, no problem, you know, or change the whole thing. Here, it's a tricky situation. You gotta change your brick.
Yeah, bring the cement truck in, huh?
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, I'm gonna head off here too, man. I mean, nothing's happening here. I've been here for a little while. Got some things to do.
Sounds good. See you next time.
Yeah, man. Take care, Josh. Thank you. And anyone else, have fun. Hey, take care, Sultan.
Thank you, Raja.
Adios.
Thank you, everybody. Adios, amigos.
Thank you.
Hasta la vista, babies.
Yo.
Yo.